Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another fabulous unboxing from FANSELLS. That is www.fansells.com. Now, all of us are familiar with FANSELLS. They're amazing. Their customer service is superb. Their products are amazing, and their shipping is super quick. Now, FANSELLS is a big store. If you go and look on their website, there's something for everyone. They sell our favorite cross stitch. They do diamond paintings, paint by numbers. They do embroidery. They do the sewing and crochet series, jigsaw puzzles, wax seal stamps, paper quilling, and even 3D string art. They also do Christmas, birthday, Easter, and Halloween gifts, music boxes, linen tote bags, and even miniature doorhouses. Isn't that fantastic? Now, if you want to save a little bit more at FANSELLS, you use my discount code, which is my name, Sunnet, for extra 5% off. They're still running a sale at the moment, but this is a pre-recording, so I don't know if it's gonna go on. So use my discount code and go and look on the website. By the time I post this video, I will have the discounts included in my description box, as well as the links to this beautiful products. And man, they are beautiful. Alrighty then, so I forgot, they also have all the tools and accessories you will ever need. Now let's start at this. This cup might look very familiar to you, right? Wow, I saw this and I thought I must have it. It is a pillowcase with this cup on, and which better pillowcase, because this cup will look fabulous in pillowcase form. So let's see what we got. Now we've got a beautiful pattern on my favorite shiny foam for durability. The front, we've got 40 colors, and the instructions are printed on your pattern. This is Yushi. It's 50 by 50 centimeters, 194 by 194 stitches, and there's a beautiful picture, and it's 11 count. Amazing pattern. I just want to grab something there. There we go. And I think for the other one as well. There's just certain stitches that I must do this with. Okay, so let's do this. Going right into my collection, this one. I think it is fantastic. Alright, and of course you get your little toolkit with it. It's got a little needle threader, a thimble, and 5 needles in a little test tube. There you go. And let's have a look at this. Oof. Bright white Ada, serge all the way around, even if it's in pillowcase shape. Now, your pillowcase has a 3-way zip. So it's one zip that goes all around. Now, when you open it, you feel where it is. There it is. Now, the side that it is, that's where you pull it. Come on. No, this one works a bit different. Yeah, there we go. There you go. So the back and the front worked already. It's easy to work with. The back side is nice and fluffy. And then I don't know what material it is. It's like very slippery material on this side. Alright. So good quality. Amazing workmanship. I love them. You guys know I love the pillowcases, right? Alright. So here we go by the big thing. Look at that cup. Now, this is something I really wanted. I've always wanted to do it. I opened it in normal form, bag form, and now this is the one I'll do because it's a pillowcase. So the printing is amazing. Lots of people ask me, how do you work here? I make a plan. So when I work this, I actually bend them back, so it's even more difficult. So I work this piece in with my stitches. So these parts for me take a lot of time because I work it straight through. Alright, so let me show you this beautiful product. Look at that. Amazing, right? I think it's fabulous. It is beautiful, beautifully printed. Everything is perfect. All right. So, let me just fold this one and then we are going to continue. Okay, so now it's time to look at the beautiful threads. Oh, my stitchy soul. Let's look at this. Now, I can tell you they are on floss drops. And remember I said there is 40 colors. Let's have a look at this. It is glorious. Look at this colors. Now, I do take the rubber band off, because I store them, and this rubber band, if it disintegrates, it damages your thread. Okay, let me show you this marvelous colors. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful, right? It's gonna look really pretty. I adore this. Really spectacular. Thank you so much. Alright, so while I pack away, I want to ask you guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe. By doing that, you help me out, you motivate me to make more videos for you, and guess what? It is for free. Yes, so while you're at it, please press the like button, leave me a comment. I will personally get back to you. Alright, so now that that's done, ta-da-da-da, look at that beauty. I can tell you now, this is the new 9 counts from Mona Lisa. Sorry, let me get that away. Don't worry, I heard your ears for the last time there. Not happening. Alright, so this is the new Mona Lisas, and they are 9 count. Oh, man. Just want to take I want to get to the pattern. Remember, 9 counts has got a lot of thread. There's my pattern. Okay, so now we can start. Now I've got a beautiful picture of little houses by the ocean and a air balloon with the sun. It's 9 count, 65 by 85 centimeters. Amazing. Alright, our pattern is double side printed on an A4 page, and we're working with 48 colors, and it's marvelous. Your symbols on your pattern correspond to the symbols on your Ada. Yep. Let's have a look. I can tell you now we've got a sparkly one again. Glittery Ada again. It's very hard to show that on camera, but I'm going to try again. I always try. I don't know if you can see it. It's a glittery canvas, and then of course you get your 2 needles attached to your Ada, which I take out because this one's going into storage. Alright, let's see here. Oh, this is fabulous. If I can get the right side up, right? So it's serged on all the sides. We need it to be serged. And then on top, it's the end of the material. So we don't need to. That's going to be very, very hard to fray. Very easy stitch, block stitching. This is going to be fun under the sun. Look at this. I love this one. It's amazing. 48 colors. Nothing difficult. I adore this one. And yes, this is one of my favorite 9 counts from Mona Lisa. I really love this. Excellent. Look at this printing. I'll show you now. Glorious, right? Really fantastic. Alright, so let's have a look at the pretties. Oh, my stitchy soul. Okay, so where are we going to start? Okay, they've got 2 of these, 2 of those, and 2 of those. Okay, so 1, 2, 23. There's 2 cards of each. There you go. Like this one is the same as that one. Okay, Look at that. And there's lots of it because a 9 count uses more thread than any other one. Remember with your 9 count, if you want to work normal crosses, it's 4 threads. If you want to work 10 stitch, it's 8. And yes, that's how we double up on these ADAs. Now 24 to 45. Fabulous. And 46 to 48. Amazing. I adore it. It is a fabulous piece of art. This kit is amazing. Let's look at them together. It is quite a lot of thread. Really a lot. really a lot. All right, so let me see here. How did we do this? Okay. Alrighty then, so while I pack this away, I want to thank FANSELLS. Wow. Amazing kits, amazing products. Thank you so much. Then I want to talk to you. Yes, you watching me. Thank you for always watching and supporting me. You really mean the world to me, and I love you guys very much. Okay, I made a bit of a mess. Let me just pull that out there so we can make it all nice. There we go, and that's all for today, folks. Till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.